y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing my latest and newest handbag that I will be adding to my collection. So as y'all can see, I purchased this from Fashionphile. I absolutely love Fashionphile, as y'all know, and I have been looking for an everyday bag, and I have had my eye on this, and I'm honestly shocked that I went this route, and I'll go over all that once we unbox it. But let's just start with unboxing it and going over what it is, and I'll go over into why I got it and then what fits, because I could not find a good like what fits video until like literally 2 days ago. And again, yeah, I'll go over all of that. So let's go ahead and just open her up. So we have the Louis Vuitton Montsouris backpack in the BB size. And you guys, I know I typically don't go for bags like this, but I am just really excited. I've always said that I'm not a backpack person, but once I saw this design, I really love this one and then the larger black empreinte version. And I think this is so cute. I don't think I really discovered this style until recently. Like, of course, everyone, like, you always see the Palm Springs mini, but I just think, I personally don't like the style of the Palm Springs mini, but I love how this one looks. I think it's so pretty. I love it. And this one is it looks like phenomenal condition on the exterior. I got this for a significant discount on Fashionphile, and it was because of the interior. So I really just want to examine it and see what it looks like and kind of go from there. From what I saw, it was just like stains. So yeah, looking at this bag, there is a few stains on the interior. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me put my flashlight in. But I honestly don't care. I already ordered a Smorgasbord organizer for this one. Yeah, you can see it. I already ordered a Smorgasbord organizer that I'm going to put in here, but there's like no residue or anything, so I'm going to use it right away as well. Honestly, I'm just shocked because I got this for pretty much over $1,000 off retail price because of the interior and the fact that there was like somewhere on the base, but when you look at it, you guys, I think this is in such great condition. Like, I will honestly take that discount any day. Y'all know that. But like, this is in like incredible condition. Like, I wouldn't have priced it that way, but I'm not gonna complain. So yeah, we have the Montsouris BB, and for dimensions, this is 7.9 inches in height, 6.7 inches in length, and 4.1 inches in width. And then this one has the black leather. This is a cowhide leather trim. And then of course we have the monogram coated canvas. And there are 2 adjustable and removable leather straps. So you can wear this bag so many ways. And if you look up this bag, all you'll see is people talking about like the different ways that you can wear and not what fits. Again, I just have a gripe over that because it took me forever to find like a good what fits video. But you have these and you can make them adjustable. And to briefly go over how you can wear it, because it is really great. Like, I'm not trying to say that it's not a great feature, because it absolutely is. But I just, when I buy a bag, I want to know about like sizing before like this personally. But you can hook these on, and you can hook them on, you can use just one, and you can have a crossbody, or I'm sorry, a shoulder bag. You can put these 2 together and have a crossbody. You can also use this as a belt bag, or even of course a backpack. You can just use it as a top handle. There's just so many different ways that you can wear it. Honestly guys, I'm probably only gonna wear it as a backpack. I bought it because I wanted a backpack, and I never thought I would, but I want to use this as my everyday bag. And so it's so cute. I can't stop looking at it. It's even cuter in person. I have been looking for a good everyday bag because I've been using like my Chanel Surf Tote, and I love that bag, but ultimately I just wanted something that was kind of light, easy. I can like take this with me everywhere. And that's kind of why I decided to get this, that, and of course I found one for a really great price. And so I decided to jump on it. So yeah, I'm really excited for this. And so a little bit more on the bag. The interior has this pocket in the back. You have your tag in here. You have your date code. And I love this like burgundy maroon interior. It's so beautiful. And then let me zoom in a little bit. You do have a snap closure. You can also close the bag with the straps. I'm probably gonna leave it open. I like how it looks better with it open, to be honest with you guys. So I'm probably gonna leave it like that. And then I feel like you can fit more in it as well. I love the top handle. Guys, I just think this bag's in incredible condition, and I'm really just looking forward to using this as my everyday bag and trying it out. So yeah, now that we went over product details, let's go into what fits. And for everyday carry, I need to carry want to be able to carry my iPad mini, my Braza wallet, my Chanel card holder, and my phone. And so, and my sunglasses, so I live in Texas, but I can do a workaround, especially because I've been using mini bags lately. I just leave my like sunglasses in the car, so I don't have to, but I still want to see like how it fits in here. So let's start with the iPad mini, because that's like the biggest thing I couldn't find if it would fit in here. And so, oh my God, you guys, it does. So you have your iPad mini in here, and it's the full length of, like, it ends at the same spot as the base of the bag. We have the Braza wallet, got a card holder. Let's put my phone in this back pocket. And let's try sunglasses for the first combo. And we'll try different things too, but guys, I'm really excited about this because it fits what I needed it to fit. Let's keep this up and then see how it closes. And it closes. Oh, you guys, this makes me so happy. So you can fit your iPad mini, a full-length wallet, sunglasses, and a card holder in here. You could also probably fit in the AirPods. And I'm going to be using this, again, as I mentioned, as my everyday carry bag. And I ordered, again, as I mentioned, the Smart organizer. So I'll have a follow-up video and I'll share in that video like what I've been using, how I've been using this bag. And I'll go over like what I think fits, if it like opens when I put too much stuff in it, and I'll go over all that in that video. This is just pretty much a first impressions, but first impressions is that I'm very excited for this because I think this is going to be a great bag to just carry everything with. Let's grab a few planners. So I have my large ring. I know it's not gonna fit, but again, I just want to give people an idea of what fits in here. So, okay, I guess it technically fits, but obviously it'll be poking out and you can't close it, but just as a reference. I have my medium ring, which will fit in here, but it does take up a good amount of space. But let's say I want to put my iPad mini in here, maybe my Chanel medium cosmetic card holder, or cosmetic bag, and then my card holder. And nope, that won't work. So what if I just want to do these two? Okay, so without the case, it will work, which is actually nice to know that I can carry my medium ring in this. As for how I think I'm primarily going to use it, so I want to be able to take my iPad mini with me, my Braza wallet, and it's also again based on where I go, but like I'm thinking about like when I head out places, like to Starbucks, or like when I go see my parents, I help them with a lot of stuff on my iPad, so I think of like things like that. So we'll have my AirPods in there. Let's throw in sunglasses, and let's call that good. Feeling smart, like I have to reconfigure it, which again I'm fine with, because once I have like a rhythm of what goes where, I'll be okay with that. But I'm just happy that this fits everything that I needed to fit, because I've been really looking forward to this and I'm really excited to use this for every day. So we have all of those in there. Let's try all the smaller ones. So let's do a cosmetic bag, again medium, or I'm sorry, small, but it's the same size as like the medium Gucci and Louis Vuitton bags, which is why I keep saying medium. You have your AirPods, which I don't take these with me a lot of places, but just for an idea. Oh, and also because my keys are downstairs, let's pretend these are my keys because it's the same like bulkiness. So we'll put that there. And then I honestly think I might like hook this on to, I want to say like back here, or like maybe this back strap so I can find it easily. Let's see if I move this way. Alright, and so all of that fits, and I think it's pretty secure. You guys, again, just so looking forward to this bag. But yeah, you can fit medium ring, you can fit your iPad mini, you can fit a lot of SLGs, and I'm just, oh my god, I'm so excited for this. And first impressions are incredible. I'm keeping this. This is going to be my everyday bag. Let me actually, I'm going to put my wallet in here because I'm about to go run some errands, and I wanted to film this first because I wanted to use this. So I'm going to run errands right now. So I got my wallet, I'm going to put my card holder, and then I'm not going to take my Brazil wallet with me. I don't take this everywhere that I go. So right now I'll just need these. And I'm just going to take my cosmetic pouch just for fun. But this is probably like what I primarily carry. But I want to make sure that I can fit all the essentials in different combinations with this before, you know, I tear off that tag and I keep it, which we're going to do. So yeah, now that is ready and I can go run my errands. And I love that it stands up on its own as well. And you guys, let's make it official. Maybe, yeah, she is mine, and I'll take that off in a bit. But yeah, I am in love with this and I can't wait. I will do a follow-up video soon. And other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.